Hey dreamer, so today we're going to be making number bracelets. So we're going to be using those number beads, some seed beads, the bead spinner, this bead board that I'm totally obsessed with, some cutters. Also, I have my iPad set up, but this is where I keep my seed beads in these little containers. And we're also going to use this pearl bead kit that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this is the setup. And I also have beads in this little tray there that I get out, certain color beads. And we're going to get right into this video. And don't forget the elastic string and the bead needle. Let's go. All right, you guys, as you see here, I already have my table set up. I'm about to get ready to start beading up these beautiful number bracelets, and I think this is going to be my go-to. I love numbers. So I'm just looking for different beads, what beads I want to start off with, and I'm going to start off with these bright colors for Easter, and we're going to get right into it. So I have the bead board, I have my needle and my elastic string, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Don't forget, dreamers, to tilt your needle when you're trying to get the beads to come up on to the needle. You have to tilt it at a slant. I felt my beads spinner up too much. That's why you see the beads coming out, but it's okay. No here nor there. All right, so now that we got all the beads that we got on the elastic string, we're going to measure it here on this bead board at the bottom, and I'm going to stop it like at 7 inches, and then I'm going to add the number beads on to the elastic string. Now, after you put the number beads on to this elastic string with the beads, you want to remeasure it to make sure that you have the right measurements. And once you have the right measurements, you want to go ahead and cut your elastic string and then get ready to tie your bracelet. So here I have some blue beads that was left on an elastic string. So all I'm going to do here is measure these beads onto the bead board, cut and make CB bracelets. So we're going to be using this glass bead kit that I got from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to make some pearl glass bead number bracelets. And I'm also going to be using another pearl kit that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. I'm just going to put all the beads down here at the bottom of this bead board. And FYI, I got this bead board from Amazon. They have so many different bead boards that you can choose from. And yeah, I'm so obsessed with this one. So once I have the desired design that I'm trying to create with these pearl beads, and then I'm going to go ahead and start stringing the beads onto the elastic string and the numbers as well. And I'm just showing you the other kit that I'm using. These gold and silver beads I'm going to be using for the number bracelets to give it a little, you know. Now I created the desired look that I was looking for. I'm going to go ahead and use my needle and elastic string and go ahead and start putting this design together. Now, once you get all the beads onto the elastic string, you want to measure it and make sure it's at the desired length, size that you want it to be. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and cut your string and tie your bracelet. So these are the beautiful number bracelets that we created. They are going to be on the site. Thank you for watching, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.